Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Pepsi chart. It's a chart we haven't really paid much attention to, but a while ago one of our short trade setups worked out quite well. So I think it's best to just take a look at the chart and see how that's actually going. Let's go. Okay, we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can get a lot of updates about different, cryptocurrencies, US stocks, tech stocks, and so on. Just make sure that you register. You can do that completely for free. The link is in the video description. Now we take a look at the Pepsi chart, and you can see that here on the longer time frame, this is one of our short trade setups. It's grayed out. Well, that worked out quite well. Our target was reached a while ago, and well, now this complex correction is unfolding, and we see this as an ABC structure in beige wave A, after a larger degree top formed around $196 with a very high probability. Actually, we see the decline actually continue, and alternatively, okay, maybe we get another high, but that's currently not expected. So expectations are for the market to decline a little bit further in beige wave A. How much more? We're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame in a minute. But yeah, as a primary scenario, we now follow this larger correction, which can take quite a long time actually, given that this decline is seen as the A wave only. With the primary scenario, then we should see a B wave rally next, which can take us possibly even to the previous high. Sometimes B waves can be very aggressive. So we typically, when we're dealing with a larger correction, we are looking at a 3-wave corrective pullback. This here is too small to constitute all of the entire correction. So idea is that this 3-wave move that we're tracking here is going to continue or expand into a larger ABC pattern, while ideally avoiding a sustained break above $196 because that would pretty much invalidate it. Okay, B waves can sometimes overshoot. That's not necessarily expected here. We can develop a trading area or target area, or let's say resistance area for the B wave once we have confirmation that the A wave has actually formed the top, which means that we're expecting this correction to take much longer. But I think we could soon get to the end of this A wave. Probably we're not there yet, and then the B wave could lead to a bit of a bounce. Now looking at the smaller time frame, you can see that in this C wave decline that we're tracking within the larger A wave, you don't actually see the label for the A wave here on this chart, but expectations are that we continue this third wave to the downside, magenta wave 3. That would be within a C wave. So a C wave is a 5-wave move. So we have waves 1, 2, 3, the third wave in its late stages, and we should see another 4-5 pattern. What does that mean? It means we're actually watching for a lower high and a lower low to form. And that would then complete the first, let's say the first 3-wave pullback before we start a larger bounce and continue to go lower. What shouldn't happen really in this magenta wave 4 is a break above $169 because that would cut into the wave 1 price region. And to be honest, it would be too high for an internal wave 4. Well, alternatively then, we would be watching for an expanded B wave here. Currently, the idea is that the B wave already topped and we're moving down a little bit lower to complete the A wave, the larger A wave, of which that B wave is part. But if we break above that level now, 169, then we have to assume that the move down didn't properly complete, and probably it's just an extended B wave. So that means in the short term, we expect slightly lower prices, then probably a larger corrective bounce before the final leg down should unfold. That can take quite a long time, this correction. So best is to prepare and be patient. That's the update about Pepsi. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, just make sure that you register on our website. You can do that for free. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.